car to buy your hair. Someone else's hair to put on your. Oh. That's him. Listen.
Exactly.
Understand the beauty with him. Me, I love my mommy's natural. You know what I'm saying? I guess that's just me.
Me, I've seen the mummies you brought to the house. They're not natural.
They're not natural and I didn't pay for it.
You paid for their Ubers.
Oh, that's the least I can do. Dog. That's the least I can do. Uber.
At least.
It's an investment for him. Huh?
Yeah.
And the food.
It doesn't
Come on,
cost
dog.
as much.
You mustn't make them
It doesn't
hungry.
cost as
You
much as the
pay
hair and
me,
the nails.
Yeah, but listen, food, I paid for both of our food. And I see her there, or we're both eating together. Not good, I'm sending you 10K, go chow, wara, la parada. No. Come through at the posy. Okay, let me tell you something.
Talk to
That girl that you saw me last time with, I didn't even spend for food, bro. I bought patties at Spa, and she fried those patties and made them for us. It's a win. It's a win, my nigga. I didn't spend a lot. I only spent on Uber, dog.
And how
Only
much are
Uber.
those patties? Aren't they
much
like
was the
60
Uber?
rand?
60 bucks, boy, and you buy buns and sauce and
So
whatever.
you put money aside to bring the mommy over.
Come on, but it's just Uber.
That's an allowance.
Oh, wow.
It is.
No.
She didn't have to spend it. She didn't
for the
spend
mommy.
it. I feel like an allowance is when
An
they send it
allowance.
to the mommy and
An
she
allowance.
spends it.
No.
I
You
spent the
spend
Uber
Spend
money.
it for you. That's what I'm
No,
saying.
that's not an allowance, Tumsani. An allowance is a fixed amount that you send to a mommy every single month
Facts.
consistently.
So
If
when
it's
are you paying
5K,
for a subscription?
You are paying 5K
It's a
a month.
subscription for her to stay around. I'll never do that shit, dog.
Oh.
And
Yo guys, ufako usile and usile. Angazi noma ngithi ustingy, noma ngithi usile, noma ngithi usmart. Ayike ufako okay. Hayibo, hey. Hey guys, and kuma comments ke shembandla bayampraise abathi nje hawu. Wena Fago #1. Guys, Fago is such a vibe. I really enjoy watching him. And baning nama comments besho ukuthi name he should come to open chats. Uyacabanga nje le combo yakhe no Sino yeses. Uthi ke lona Lala Parada always catching strays from Fago and akaqali ukwenza example Gela Parada. We need Fago on open chats. Yane leyo episode ngaba mnandi. I hope i-message bazoyibona Sino and then mase beyambiza abe khona. I will definitely watch. Fago is the real one in this podcast. Yeah, that is true. I totally agree. Fago for president for real. Fago is goated. Hayi cha baze bamvuma. Ngoba nakho nje engakhiphi girlfriend allowance, angaspendi imali eningi intombazaneni. Hayi cha, Fago is him. Hayi bayampraise. Hey, nivumelana nje ngento ebhedayo guys, intombazane iyaphipha imali, intombazane iyakhishwa, uspend imali intombazaneni. Fago, Bukan Fago and Sino. Yane le combo will be so dope. Asithemba ukuthi izokwenzeka one day. Uthi lona Fago is a wise man. Is one phela. And ngima comments igcwele abantu besilisa nje ke most yabo. Ibona nje ba busy bavuma uFago. Fago is so damn funny. He is very funny. He's such a vibe. I like him so much. Fago is smart. Of course, ngabuye nithini? Ngeke ningavumelani naye. Ngeke nje ningavumelani naye. It's not possible. Tumsani doesn't even know the definition of an allowance. Kusobala phela ukuthi akayikhiphi or akazi ayikhipha. Uzoyazi kanjani into angayenzi? Uthi lo bra Fago, if she agrees to the simple stuff, that's how you know she likes you for real, for you. You don't have to spend a cent when a hand really likes you. She'll agree to the most simplest things. Bebaningi ke bevumelana nalona lento ayishoyo. Yeah. Fago, you from KZN Kabi, ibambe kanje. A cards for cards. Mina nje ingakho nje amadoda amaZulu ngingawathanda sisikahle ngoba awazwani nokukhipha imali. Ngizosho nje ecala umlomo ukuthi astingy. Full stop. Who taught y'all to keep saying me I when starting a sentence? Me, I don't know. Me, I don't know. Kuyajwayeleka, guys. It's a subscription for her to stay around. Yay. You're making girlfriend allowance sound even bad. I know unghlulile masithi i-girlfriend allowance i-subscription to keep a girl around. Hayibo. Hey, hayibandla. He said I didn't pay for it. Vele kushuthi akayikhokhelanga phela. Bekumele athini ayofakwa, guys. He's so real. He is so real. Subscription to keep her around. Hayi cha nami leyo shem ingiqedile ngaphela nya. Hey guys, ama-comments beboningi kakhulu bengikwazi ukashera wonke but nje bevuma ufaka ukuthi hayi uyindoda Fago. Nje you are smart, this and that. Yeah. Anyway guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.